How to check Android IMEI number. The first way you can do that is by dialing a particular unique number on your phone, and that number is star hash 06, then hit hash. It will show up. Okay, then alternatively, another way you can do that is swipe down through the top of your Android smartphone, tap on settings, scroll down to the about phone section, so tap on that spot, then tap on status. Okay, under status there are so many other options there, so locate IMEI information. Just tap on that spot and you will see the number there. Alright, so this may vary, depends on the type of Android smartphone you are using, but at the end, if you follow the same process, you get the same results. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.